All right, welcome back, everybody. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is he's going after a doctor in New York over abortion pills. This could be the first lawsuit of its kind. Paxton says the doctor violated his state's laws by prescribing abortion-inducing drugs to a woman near Dallas through a telehealth appointment. NewsNation's Xavier Walton joins us live from Dallas this morning. Xavier, this case has a lot of different layers, national implications, and some are arguing that New York's laws actually protect that doctor in this case. What's going on here?
Hey, Markie, good morning. And you know what? What you just laid out there right at the very end is what makes this case so intriguing and also interesting and could really set a precedent moving forward for the rest of the country, obviously depending on what happens with this case. Let's get to some of the details. Here's the lawsuit right now and what I want to talk about. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton essentially suing Dr. Margaret Carpenter from New York for allegedly prescribing abortion drugs to a Texas woman, which is against the law in the Lone Star State. Paxton is accusing Dr. Carpenter of mailing pills from New York to a 20-year-old Texas woman. That woman allegedly took the abortion pills when she was 9 weeks pregnant, began experiencing severe bleeding. That's when she was taken to the hospital, where she told officials, what happened. All this according to the lawsuit. Paxton sending NewsNation this statement saying, in part, this doctor prescribed abortion-inducing drugs unauthorized over telemedicine, causing her patient to end up in the hospital with serious complications. Some attorneys, like you mentioned, Markie, believe this might be the first of many similar suits to come.
It's an inevitable trend that we will see in the rest of the country as more states may try enforcing their anti-abortion laws. I think Texas will not just go after Dr. Carpenter, but may choose to go after other doctors that they identify as providing services.
So Paxton wants the doctor to pay $100,000 for every violation of the state's near total abortion ban. However, New York protects abortion access and has a shield law protecting providers from out-of-state investigations and prosecution. So we have a response from New York's Attorney General Letitia James responding, saying restricting access to these pills doesn't help Americans, it harms them. That's why we enacted our shield law, establishing New York as a beacon of reproductive freedom. Now, Texas has promised to pursue cases like this one, regardless of shield laws, just like Letitia James there just mentioned. Should also mention, Mark, we did reach out to Dr. Carpenter, the doctor at the center of all this. She has not gotten back to all of us just yet.
Yeah, so which state's laws are going to wind up on top here? I'm going to be talking to our legal contributor, Jesse Weber, about this one here in just a little bit on the show, too. Xavier Walton, thank you so much, live from Texas this morning. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.